So in other words, it was Roland's fault, right?
You know, that was an interesting cold front that we had yesterday. So here we are at the end of July, and yesterday we had that cold front that went blasting through, which dropped the temperature readings down significantly. And even today, temperature readings have only been in the 70s, friends. Now, here's what's happening in the wake of that front. We have extremely dry air that's moving into the region, and that dry air is here to stick around for some time. Look at the high so far today, 77 degrees. We should be in the 90s this time of the year. The average high is 93 degrees, and there's the record of 106 degrees, nowhere near that. So the temperatures elsewhere that we have around the area, all in all, I'd say mid to upper 70s. If you have plans to go to the Hialdi Festival tonight, the weather is going to be absolutely phenomenal. You might actually want like a little sweatshirt or something, because once that sun starts to get low in the sky, the temperature readings are going to be dropping down into the 60s. It's going to feel cool. But that cool northwesterly flow has been in place, and what's going to replace it is the opposite of a northwesterly flow. We're going to be under the influence of high pressure, and as that high pressure builds in, it's going to push the cooler air out of here, and this high pressure really starts to build in here by the end of the week. It's going to be in place, if not getting stronger, through the weekend. So it's going to be going from unseasonably cool to turning hot by the middle and latter part of the week, and into the weekend we could be seeing temperature readings right around 100 to 101 degrees. Here's my 7-day forecast and for the Treasure Valley. The high temperatures tomorrow still nice, but just below normal for this time of the year, right around 88 degrees. Then on Thursday, I'm going to crank it up to about mid-90s. Friday, it gets downright toasty with a high of not 100, but 99 degrees, close to 100. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, we could be seeing temperatures right around the century mark, plus or minus a degree or so. It all depends on how strong the high pressure ends up getting, but it looks like it's going to be a cooker this week. The mountains will be seeing temperature readings tomorrow of 80 degrees. Looking through the weekend, it's going to be phenomenal with high temperatures approaching the upper 80s by Saturday and Sunday. Maybe a few clouds and maybe an isolated shower around Tuesday of next week. But boy, it's looking like it's going to be summer-like once again after a brief cold front yesterday.
We'll notice the change.
Oh yeah. It's going to get hot.
All right, thank you, Roland.